everything should happen as we have planned, as per the plan, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Run, run, run. My dear Yash, run faster. How far will you run anyway? One day I will catch you for sure. Who is it? Who is it? Mithila! 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 Turn around! Oh my goodness! My goodness! Mithila has heard everything we were speaking and... Oh my goodness, she had a mobile in her hand. She has surely recorded the video and now she will show it to Yash too. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness!
Revati has not become a part of this house. We all feel that you should get married to Yash. If you want to give me something, then give me what I have asked for. For my daughter-in-law, for Pari. Will you give me?
Yash, you are going to get married to Revati? Don't do it at all. She is not at all good for you. Listen to me. No one is believing me, but at least you listen to me. How can I calm down, Yash? You promise me first that you won't get married to her, no matter what happens. Look, if you get married to her, then your life will get screwed, Yash. Listen to me.
Calm down, calm down. Okay. Just calm down.
Yes. I had come to show you that.
Mithila.
Look.
Mithila? She said the same to you too, right? Everything that's going on is so horrible. It's just horrible. It's unbelievable. I don't understand what is going wrong with us. It's unthinkable.
Hey, Yash, that Revati.
That Revati has betrayed us, Yash.
What?
I had never thought that someone can behave and do this with us. It's not possible, Yash. It's not possible.
Yes, but Revati had only told you that.
Yes, exactly. That Revati is a fraud. I thought she was a nice girl. I brought her to this house thinking that she's a simple girl, but no. No, she has betrayed us, Yash. Yes, that you rejected her proposal, right? So she came to my room following me, and do you know what she told
But
me?
sister, Revati had come to your room.
I'm saying that. Are you not listening to me? Aren't you paying attention? I'm telling you, Yash. You rejected her proposal, so she followed me, and do you know what she told
But
me?
sister, you were only telling her.
I am telling you, right? You don't speak in between. I want to speak, Yash. Yash, do you know what she told me?
What?
She said that if you get Yash married to me, then I will give you half of the property which I will get.
What?
Yes, Yash, when I heard that that time I didn't realize what to do. I wasn't getting any word. I was shocked. Oh my goodness.
How dare she?
Hey, Yash, I will tell you. I'll tell you that
yes.
Revati.
Revati, yes, Mithila, that Revati. She was here. She was telling me this all. And she had told you also this, right? Yes, that get her married to him, then she will give you half of the property. She told you that.
Yes, but I will tell you, sister, she didn't say that. She was
Yash.
saying something.
I feel that girl is not fit to stay in our house at all. No, she is having low class mentality. She came from a tenement. Middle class? No, I feel that she was a fraud from before. She wanted to betray us. That's why she was here. I only didn't realize it, Yash.
Where is she now?
I have thrown her out of the house. I told her to leave this house as soon as possible.
Aunt Mithila, get her here right now.
Yes,
No.
I will bring her.
No, what for? What for, Yash? Huh? I feel that girl should not come in front of anyone's eyesight at all. No one's.
No, I want her here right now, Aunt. I want to take her to Grandpa. He wanted to get me married to her, right? I want to show him how big of a fraud that girl is.
Yash! Oh! Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut. If you speak even a word more, then just remember that. Listen to me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You are acting smart? What did you feel? That I won't find out? You had done a video recording of me and Revati, right? You came here to show that to Yash. What do you even think of me as, huh? I have thrown that Revati out of this house. But I will throw you in a mental asylum. You want to become a mother, right? Mithila, keep one thing in mind. Keep your ears open. I will teach you such a lesson that you will never become a mother again. Understood? I am Simi. I can do anything to save my life. Keep that in mind. Got it? Huh? Do you get me? Even if you speak a word more, then you will become my enemy. How dare you? How dare you, Mithila? How dare you?
Janaki, do you even see what has happened? I want to do something good, but something bad happened. Yash doesn't know what's good and bad for him. But we are thinking about his future only. So won't we do the same even now? Tell me. Hey, have trust on me. She's a nice girl.
Grandpa? You don't even take care of your health to get me married to that Revati, right? Do you know what she did?
What?
She was setting out to betray the family members in whose house she had come as a teacher and had become a member. She's a fraud.
Why are you speaking whatever you
I'm
feel
not
like?
speaking whatever I felt like. Aunt Mithila just came to my room. She told me everything.
No. This is not possible. You might have had a misunderstanding. Hey, she's a simple girl from a poor family. She cannot do this.
Is it?
That's why Seema brought her to this house with so much
Aunt
trust.
Simi is also shocked. She's also shocked. She went to bring her. And once she comes here, then everything will get cleared. Come.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Everything was going on well. Mithila, you ruined my hard work of 1 year. And I won't spare you so easily. You goddamn it.
Ma'am, what happened? I mean, we were talking and you left in between.
Actually, I remembered some urgent work, so I had to leave. In fact, you wait outside.
Listen, ma'am, I hope nothing is serious. I mean, you're looking a bit worried, so I asked you.
Come on, nothing serious. Wait outside.
Yes, ma'am.
Revati,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to meet Papa now.
Huh? Now?
Yeah.
So suddenly? Is everything fine, ma'am?
I don't know. We will find out once we go there. Okay, let's go. Fast, come on.
Yeah.
Grandpa,
Revati, will you tell me what is really going on?
we need an answer, Revati. Why did you betray us? Yes? Isn't it why you're pretending to be so good? Huh? Now I get it. The way you were behaving with me was all pre-planned. Taking care of Pari, taking care of her more than a teacher, coming and living here. You wore my Neha sari and came in front of me. You spilled hot soup on me and then cleaned it yourself. You came closer to me to free the chain which was stuck on Pari's dress. Disgusting. Everything was planned. Revati, we had felt that you were genuine, but you were cheating us. Aren't you ashamed?
No, sir.
You broke our trust, Revati.
Sir, listen. Sir, it's really not like that, ma'am. Ma'am, tell him.
Why did you do all this? If you had asked for more money to take care of Pari, then we would have given you happily. There was no need to do this drama.
Sir, it's not like that. Mithila ma'am is having a misunderstanding. Ma'am, you tell them. You tell them everything. Why are you so quiet, ma'am? Ma'am, tell them. Ma'am, what are you doing, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. There was misunderstanding.
Look.
There was a misunderstanding, but not with Mithila. It was with me. And not just me. We all were. And we had this misunderstanding about you.
Ma'am?
Revati. Yash, look at the contract. she had brought this contract to me. Read it.
You put such a clause in the contract for the sake of money? You were trying to cheat us by acting as a simpleton?
Sir, nothing as such has happened. Believe me, sir. All of this was Simmi ma'am's plan. And she had only made this contract. Listen to me, sir. It's true.
How much more lies will you say?
I am speaking the truth, really. I am a simple girl, sir. Dreaming of such a huge sum of money won't afford me. Sir, everything was done by this Simmi ma'am. This is her plan and she had come to my house herself for this,
House?
ma'am. Tell.
Oh my goodness! What are you saying, Revati? Why will I come to your house, Revati? Revati, please, please. I beg to you. Think 10 times before you speak anything at all. I'm speaking the truth. I have worked very hard to earn my respect and honor back in front of my people and to hold my place in this house. Please don't waste my time. I was able to earn their trust back after taking a lot of effort. Please, I beg in front of you to not do this. Actually, I was wrong. I made a mistake in all this. Actually, bringing Revati into this house for Pari's sake was my mistake. Yash, I'm speaking the truth. I had brought her here just for the sake of our Pari. Revati, why did you do this? I had brought you here with so much trust for Pari. I let you stay in my house and treated you with so much love. Even all my family members gave you their love and you paid us back in this way? Aren't you ashamed to behave like
Ashamed? It's you who should feel ashamed. You are a liar. You made all this plan and framed me in it. I made a mistake. I trusted you, right? You should be handed over to the cops.
Keep quiet! You're speaking about Simmi Chaudhary. Mind your language. She brought you into this house. She even gave you a job and you're blaming her. You should be ashamed. Hey, she never gets tired of praising you. She keeps praising you and you're trying to blame her. This is your blunder. This contract. It's clearly written in this that if you get married to Yashwanta Chaudhary, then you will transfer half the property to her. You did it and now you're blaming her. You're disgusting.
Get out of this house this very moment. Out!
Grandpa, it's not like you're thinking. Please listen to me.
One moment. Firstly, I'm not your grandpa. Don't try to form a relation with me. What you did has been exposed. Get out!
Sir, listen to me, please. I will explain. I was just a part of this, but I didn't do all this alone. However, Simmi ma'am made me all do this. Please
Grandpa
trust.
told you, right? Leave.
Sir, please trust
Leave.
me at least for
You have
once.
spoken enough. You have spoken enough. How many times will you keep saying the same thing? Simmi loved you a lot, Revati. She brought you to this house. She treated you with love. Even my family showered their love on you, but what you did? Don't even stand in front of my people. You don't even deserve that. You leave.
Sir.
You leave from this palace right now. I'm really telling you, Revti.
Sir,
please
listen to me.
leave.
This lady is speaking the lie. Sir, listen. Don't listen to what she's saying. I am telling you, sir.